For a long time, I was really against the switch from 1080p to 4K, but I've finally seen the light. What is up guys, my name is Chase, and just a quick heads up, this is going to be one of the few videos on my channel that is 4K. But anyway, I want to take you guys back to 2010. After lots of leaks and rumors, Apple released the highly anticipated iPhone 4, which in many ways was kind of like a refresh of the iPhone. And there was one feature in the iPhone 4 that changed Apple forever.
This is a biggie. Something we call the Retina display. What's that?
The Retina display was a huge landmark for Apple and their products. So basically, the way Apple classifies Retina is by having a high enough resolution that your eye physically can't see the pixels on the screen. I was 11 years old at the time, so I didn't know what that meant, I didn't even care. I was thinking my iPhone 3G screen is just fine. I doubt the iPhone 4 screen is gonna be any better. If you do ever get the chance, try and look at the iPhone 3G or the 3GS screen and then compare it to the iPhone 4 or the 4S screen. It's a real trip. Anyway, the reason I'm even telling this story is because it was the first time that I was really blown away by resolution. In fact, for a long time, I was convinced that 720p was perfectly fine for my videos. If you go back to some of my videos from like 2016 or 2017, they were all in 720p and I just thought it was really normal. But once I made the switch from 720p to 1080p, I was like, what the heck was I thinking? And now that I've been making videos in 1080p for a really long time, I've been thinking that, okay, 1080p is the final frontier, there will be nothing better than this. But then comes 4K. See, in 2017, I got my 4K Retina 21.5-inch iMac. And once I booted up this iMac and saw the screen for the first time, I was like, holy moly. The text is so sharp and everything just looks so clear and vibrant. And I was trying to be all chill about it, I was thinking like, sure, this is cool, but what difference will I see in using it every day? I opened up iJustine's 4K video about the new 27-inch iMac, and it felt like I was looking at the iPhone 4 compared to the iPhone 3G all over again. I know it sounds cheesy, but watching that 4K video on my 4K iMac, everything just looked so real. Even if I press my face up against the screen, everything still looks really great. So now I'm totally sold on 4K. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of 4K in the comments. Do you think it's gonna be the future? If you guys want to see more of my videos where I talk about tech, make sure you check some of them out below. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell. For now, my name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.